Hey everyone, Hobby Box Break here. Do me a favor, hit that like and share button, and don't forget to hit that bell right there in the bottom right hand corner. When you do, you'll be subscribed to all our videos coming out. And you can also follow us at Twitter. We are at Hobby Breaks. So give us a tweet at Hobby Breaks, and you can check that out in the description notes below. And here we go, Garbage Pail Kids Food Fight 10. We've been doing a lot of these, so if you're familiar with how we do it, leave us a comment below. So leave us a comment. We'll get you in for 2 drawings, one for the monthly drawing, and we got some mottos in there, sketch card, printing plate, and some other numbered parallel sapphire cards in there. And then one for the flawless briefcase giveaway. This thing is stuffed full of autographs, all sorts of good stuff, parallels, numbered cards, and as always with every Hobby Box Break, we throw in some extra cards. So we got a celebrity chef, a Booker Green parallel, a yellow card, and a blue parallel, an Adam Appetite, and a Michelle Muck. So these are going into the flawless cake, flawless briefcase. All right. Gotta watch the video at the end to check out that flawless case video. You can see what's in there. Probably about half the cards, and you have to watch the other videos to see all the other cards we keep putting in there. So this thing is getting stuffed. And we did a tutorial, so check out the tutorial if you guys want to figure out how to redeem those Adam Appetite redemption cards. You can get some good things on those digital. Get some cool sets collected out of them. All right, we got a Booker Green parallel here, 3-course Mel. Overseasoned Sean, or our Booger parallel. Roastin' Ronin. Betty Spaghetti. Steve Heave. We got a Devane Valerie and a Trashy Trey for our yellow parallel. We got a Devane Valerie in our collector tins. That was an auto hit. That was fun. That was our second auto I think we got out of there. We also got a Micro Wade auto. And there's our Adam Appetite digital redemption card. Make sure you check out the tutorial on that, and you'll know how to create that account and redeem those cards. And start your digital GPK collection. And of course, you can go to the Topps website and purchase some digital packs there too. West Quick green parallel. All right, last pack. I'm thinking it's a good one. Or maybe not. Yeah, we got some collector tins. That'll make up for it. They're coming up. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to give us a tweet at Hobby Breaks and check out that video in the top left-hand corner right up there, and you'll see what's in this flawless case. And check out that tutorial on how to redeem these Atom Appetite redemption cards. So these are a lot of fun, and a lot of people are trading with them now, so check it out. It's gonna be a lot of fun. All right, see you soon.